Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shein products to your Shopify store. Perfect if you want to start a dropshipping business or expand your product range. Stick around. This 6 minute guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. First of all, a quick hands up. Shein doesn't officially offer direct integration with Shopify like other suppliers do, but you can still source Shein products and sell them using dropshipping apps like Gendrop, AutoDS, or Desserts. Or you can manually import Shein product into your Shopify store. Today I will show you the most reliable way using a dropshipping app for automation. First of all, you haven't already created Shopify account, go to shopify.com and sign up. Pick a theme. Simple is better for beginners. Set up your basic settings: store name, domain, and payment gateway. Now let's connect Shein products using a dropshipping apps. You go to your Shopify dashboard, then click apps, then go to Shopify app store. From here, search for AutoDS, Gendrop, or Desserts, like AutoDS. Then click install. Create your AutoDS account and connect it to your Shopify store. Once AutoDS is set up, click register, then store added successfully. Now inside AutoDS, go to add product and choose a plan for hair like that. Use the one-click importer, copy and paste the Shein product URL you want to sell. The app will fetch the product details, images, titles, description, variants, etc. Customize the title, description, and pricing if you want. Always a good idea to make it unique. You don't want to just sell at Shein's price, you need to profit. Inside AutoDS or your dropshipping app, you set automatic pricing rules. For example, add 30 to 50% markup over the Shein cost. If Shein sells a jacket for $20, you could list it for $35 to $40. This covers product cost, Shopify fees, marketing expenses, and leaves you profit. Once your products are imported and priced, visit your Shopify store, click your product pages, make sure all images are clear, descriptions are readable, and the add to cart button works. Pro tip: add trust bases and shipping policies. This builds customer confidence. Very important, shipping times from Shein to customer can take 7 to 21 days. Make sure you clearly mention shipping times in your store. Use a tracking number system. AutoDS and other apps help automate this. Double check return refund policies. Since you are drop shipping from Shein, you will need a solid customer service process. Be careful not to infringe Any copyrighted designs stick to generic non-branded items. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to connect Shein products to your Shopify store. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.